The FooSales offline mode feature makes it possible to use the FooSales apps without an active internet connection. To enable offline mode, go to Settings and enable the offline mode setting. When doing so, a blue bar will appear at the bottom of the screen which reflects the date and time that the app went into offline mode. You can go back online at any time by disabling offline mode in the settings screen or by tapping Go Online located in the bottom right of the footer bar. The FooSales app will then attempt to sync all the new orders and changes that were made while in offline mode with your WooCommerce store. FooSales will sync all new orders, cancelled orders, refunds, and product updates that were made while in offline mode. This data is stored on your device and can be synced with your WooCommerce database when you go back online. If you run into difficulty syncing offline changes, you can export all offline changes in an XML file and import it via the WordPress admin area. For more information, please visit help.foosales.com.